If you want to resize videos for Instagram in DaVinci Resolve 20, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to turn a regular horizontal video into a vertical format that looks great on Reels, Stories, and other Instagram placements. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips just like this. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. You can do that by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This is where we'll make the timeline and clip adjustments for Instagram. Next, click the Project Settings icon in the bottom right corner. It looks like a small gear, and it opens the settings that control your timeline resolution and overall project setup. From here, go to the Master Settings tab on the left side of the window. At the top of the menu, look for the Timeline Resolution section. This is where the size of your canvas is defined. To make your video vertical for Instagram, check the box labeled Use Vertical Resolution. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve will automatically switch your dimensions to 1080 by 1920, which is the standard vertical format. Once that setting is enabled, click Save to apply the change to your timeline. Now your viewer should update and display a vertical frame, which is exactly what you need for Instagram content. Now that the timeline is vertical, the next step is making sure your actual video clip fits properly inside that frame. Click the clip on your timeline that you want to resize, so it becomes highlighted with a red border. This tells you that the clip is selected and ready to be adjusted. With the clip selected, open the Inspector panel in the top right corner. Make sure you're on the Video tab so you can access the image and scaling controls. Scroll down until you find the section related to resolution or mismatched resolution settings. In that section, change the scaling drop-down menu to Fill. This is the key step that forces the video to expand until it completely covers the vertical frame. Just keep in mind that if your original footage is horizontal, the sides may get cropped. That's normal when converting for Instagram, because the goal is to fill the tall screen without black bars. If your video still needs more adjustment, move down to the Transform section in the Inspector. Here you can use the Zoom slider to scale the image up or down until it looks right. This is especially useful if your subject is too small or if you want to create a cleaner, more cinematic crop for Instagram. After that, use the Position X slider to move the clip left or right. This helps you center the most important part of the video inside the vertical frame. If your subject is off to one side, this is the easiest way to fix it without changing the whole clip. And if you have the studio version of DaVinci Resolve, you can make this even easier with Smart Reframe. In the Inspector, click Object and then choose Reframe. This allows the software to automatically track the subject and keep them centered throughout the clip, which is perfect for fast-paced videos or talking head content. So just to recap, you open the Edit page, go into Project Settings, switch the timeline to vertical resolution, then use the Inspector to set your clip scaling to fill, and fine-tune the zoom and position if needed. If you have Studio, Smart Reframe can save even more time by automatically following your subject. If this video helped you resize videos for Instagram in DaVinci Resolve 20, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.